What's the meaning of bullshitter? Bullshitter. Bullshitter.
Bullshitter. Bullshitter. The word bullshitter is typically used to describe someone who speaks in a deceptive or insincere manner, often with the intention of misleading others. This term implies that the person is not being truthful and does not have a strong grasp on what they are talking about. A bullshitter may use jargon or buzzwords to make it seem like they know what they're discussing, but in reality they are just making things up as they go along. Overall, being a bullshitter can harm a person's credibility and reputation, as they are not seen as trustworthy or knowledgeable.